Good morning, everyone. This is Ashwini Patil. I lead the Mendix IoT and Cloud Solutions at Prolim. So today we will be taking a look at Prolim's Mendix Competency and some of the demos of the solution that we've developed. Here's a quick intro about myself, 25 plus years of experience in technology, management, delivery, and architecture. Prior to Prolim, I worked at Optum, which is United Health Group's IT division, and I have a long tenure in the automotive industry as well. I worked at IHS Automotive. Here's a quick look at the agenda for today. First, I will be talking about Prolim's Mendix Competency. Then we will take a look at one of the use cases where we used Mendix and integrated with the NX and Teamcenter. And finally, there's a demo of a few solutions we've developed for customers, which range across different industries. So our Mendix competency is driven by Prolim Digital Innovation Center. Our Digital Innovation Center consists of 3 pillars: PLM Factory, Cloud Factory, and Mendix Factory. Our Digital Innovation Center is very successful because of its underlying framework. The framework, which consists of innovation, agile development, fast delivery, and strong project management. We started our Mendix journey back in October 2020, and today we have a large team, a large certified team of project managers, solution architects, senior developers, business analysts, and a dedicated quality assurance team. And our goal is to have a 100+ member team by the end of this year. Our Mendix team has developed multiple applications serving different industries. We have been recognized as Mendix Magnificent Partner. We are also an ISV partner, which means we can sell our Mendix applications on Mendix Marketplace. Our goal, again, is to develop 200+ apps by the end of this year. So we are over 150 applications today, all different types of applications across various industries. So moving on, next we will take a look at the use case where we developed a Mendix solution and integrated it with Teamcenter and NX. So this solution is called Design Validation Automation. The main goal of this solution is to automate the validation process of wire harness design using Mendix. So Mendix is the center of this application. We have Teamcenter, which is used as the data source in this application. We used a third-party visualization tool called Vertex, which helps you visualize the 3D images. And we also integrated with NX to do certain analysis on the data. So here's a quick demo of the application itself.
Design Validation Automation. Here is the application architecture, user flow, and high-level scope of Design Validation Automation. Login with username and password. Navigate to Setting Teamcenter Configurations. Click on Login to Teamcenter. This will take you to the login page of Teamcenter within. On the home page, click on the Teamcenter icon and it will start listing all the items present. Search for the item Vertex. Select on Door Panel and click on Render. This will now fetch the door panel assembly from Teamcenter and push it to Vertex for visualization. Then select the top panel of the door and the top panel clip and click on the camera icon for the snapshot. In Vertex, snapshot is not just a screen grab, but it actually gives a reduced BOM and JT format. Click on Home and on the listing below click on View Snapshots. You can click on the top panel clip for item and render to look at the snapshot taken. Go back and now click on Analyze. On click of Analyze, the reduced BOM assemblies are sent to NX for analysis of the clip and the panel hole dimensions. The dimensions are returned back to the Mendix application, and based on the rule engine present in Mendix, clip and hole validation is done. Then results of pass and fail are populated, which can be viewed by clicking on View Results for each reduced assembly. Earlier, for this kind of small door panel validation used to take about 2 hours at least. In this POC, it takes about 12 minutes overall.
All right, that was a quick look at the demo of our design validation application. Now moving on to a demo of a few other solutions that we developed for various customers. So these are all the applications that are published on our website. We have a Mendix app store. So if you go to prolim.com/Mendix/apps, you will see all the solutions listed there. And you click on Learn More to read more about the solution. And also we have a video associated with all of these solutions on our website. So today we will look at a demo of these applications listed here. The first one would be the 3D viewer. So this is a lightweight 3D viewer that was built using Mendix, which can be used to store and view JT files. Vehicle management system. So this solution is integrated with SAP, MES, and few others. So it's a suite of multiple Mendix applications that track the entire life cycle of a vehicle from production all the way into dealership. This also includes a parts tracker application, which has the ability to scan and track the various parts of a vehicle. Supplier inventory management solution allows you to maintain and track suppliers, plants, and parts at the various plants. Approval management system can be used by any organization for any kind of approval process for their organization. It could be any approval such as reimbursements or any logic design approvals. So this is a very generic approval system that can be very easily customized for any of your approval system across the organization. It's a workflow-based approval management system with email integration and a lot of good features. Finally, we'll take a look at the configure price quote solution, which is a solution that was developed for salesperson. So when a salesperson is visiting the customer on site, he can quickly get gather the requirements from the customer and generate accurate proposal very quickly, right then and there. And this, again, was implemented for 2 different use cases. One is commercial refrigeration systems, and the second one is for the windows and doors. But again, this can be customized to any of the other requirements. So let's take a quick look at the 3D viewer application. The 3D viewer application is a lightweight visualizer that lets the end user upload, store, operate, and visualize the 3D JT files and 2D drawing files. The user can open the model and rotate, pan, and zoom the model to see the details. The section view provides a view from various angles. User can see the hierarchical tree view of the items that form a model. Toggling the tree node allows the end user to control which model parts are loaded into the viewer. The user can delete, add, and clear section planes to the model on desired direction axis. Markup feature allows user to create a 2D markup on a model, annotate, draw, or add a comment, and save the annotated screenshot. The toolbar item selection mode provides the ability to select a model, part, edge, face, and body. Okay, so that was a quick demo of our 3D viewer tool, again developed using Mendix. So next we move on to the vehicle management system. As I mentioned, it's a suite of multiple applications that were put together and is a very excellent use case of how easy it is to use Mendix to integrate different systems in your organization. And this solution was implemented for a large EV manufacturer. Let's take a look at the solution we developed to automate and integrate vehicle manufacturing operations. We implemented this solution for a large EV manufacturer. Vehicle Management System, VMS, consists of multiple Mendix applications integrated with non-Mendix applications such as MES, SAP, and few more. The VIN generator application integrates with MES application and generates a unique VIN for every vehicle manufactured. The parts tracker application, which manages the parts to vehicle mapping through a QR code scanner. The QA application is integrated with the parts tracker application to receive the information of the vehicles. And once the QA is completed, it sends the data to the OBL application, which is the outbound logistics application. OBL application is used in assignment of the vehicles based on a rules engine to be transported to different state distribution centers. STC application integrates with SAP for the invoicing and tracking of the vehicles and the inventory. In this solution, we also integrate with two non-Mendix applications to ensure delivery of vehicles to customers, OMS application and last mile delivery application. A quick overview of the vehicle parts tracker application. The parts inventory dashboard, VIN inbound tracker, various entities like material master, VIN master, etc., and the Excel importer. All right, that was the vehicle management system integrated with multiple different external systems. Next, we'll move on to the supplier inventory management system. This one helps you manage suppliers, parts, and plants at various locations. It includes stock inventory management as well. Supplier inventory management system allows the user to manage suppliers, plants, and parts. Approval is required for any change to supplier, plant, or parts. Templates can be used for bulk uploads. This solution integrates with Power BI for the dashboard. Let's take a look at the application. Here are the various entities for supplier, employee, external user, plant, and parts. Let's add a new supplier, assign the plant and part. We can download supplier-specific templates for bulk upload, update the data, and import it back into the system. The approver can approve or reject parts on this dashboard. Here, the user can check and update the stock for parts at different plants. The Power BI dashboard shows various counts, such as counts of parts assigned to suppliers and count of parts by plants. All right, that was a quick look at our supplier management system. Now moving on to our approval management system. As I mentioned, this solution can be used for any approvals across the organization for managing the approvals. Approval management system. This solution can be used for different types of approvals, such as reimbursement or specific types of payments. It allows for up to 7 levels of approval. An email is triggered for every request. The approver can approve, reject, or revert directly from the link in the email. The approver can delegate approval authority to a specific person for specific dates. An automated email reminder is sent on a daily basis for pending approvals. The dashboard shows the pending approvals for each approver. Let's take a quick look at the application. Team approvals is a feature where approval can be sent to a team instead of a specific individual. Let's create a new approval. Add all the details. Attach any documents needed for approval. Select the approvers and submit. Here is the delegation form. Let's take a look at the dashboard, which shows all pending approvals for every approver. You can click on any one to see the details. The dashboard also shows requests created by the specific user. So that was the approval management system. Now moving on to the last demo, which is our CPQ, configure price quote, again used mainly by the salespersons to generate accurate quotes.
CPQ, Configure Price Quote, is a tool used by sales representatives to quickly and accurately generate quotes for specific orders, along with a complete pricing proposal real-time within minutes. This solution is available in various versions, browser, mobile, and tablet, and can be accessed from anywhere. Sales representative will input customized specifications of the product, quantities, and the optional features as input and generate an optimized proposal based on the selected parameters. This solution is developed using Mendix in context of an industrial refrigeration system, but can easily extend to any other products. This form captures customer details such as customer name, location, and delivery date. The second section captures the system details. In the case of refrigeration systems, it captures parameters like ambient temperature, relative humidity, and target load. Additional details are captured in the bottom section, such as compressor manufacturer, voltage frequency, and others. The sales executive can also optimize the current proposal based on the following parameters: cost, lead time, and horsepower. This application integrates with Teamcenter and automates the generation of the proposal that includes the specifications of the finalized requirements, the pricing policies of the components, discounts involved, the 3D images of the components and the product. As you have seen, CPQ by Prolim is a great sales tool to generate accurate pricing proposals real time within minutes.
All right, that was the CPQ application. Thank you all. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@prolim.com to see how we can help you with your Mendix solutions.